5 subtle manipulations that make people like you. Hey, have you ever wondered why some people seem to be magnets for attention? Today we're diving into the quirky world of subtle manipulations that make others like you. Imagine effortlessly drawing people towards you like free Wi-Fi. Let's unveil these secrets and add them to your social toolkit. Ever noticed how certain people echo your body language? It's no coincidence. Mirroring is a sneaky yet charming way to build instant rapport. By subtly copying someone's gestures, you signal subconsciously that you're in sync with them, making you instantly more likable, not to mention an expert in the art of physical mimicry. Showering people with compliments doesn't mean drowning them in flattery. Drop genuine, thoughtful compliments like you're a fairy with a sparkle-tipped wand. It's all about balance. Compliments elevate moods, and before you know it, you become the delightful breeze on a hot day, someone everyone wants around. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Listen to comprehend, not just respond. When someone's talking to you, lock eyes, nod occasionally, and throw in the magical "tell me more." It shows you value their story. Suddenly, you're the wise sage in their social circle, and who doesn't like a good listener? Teasing. Tricky but potent. Light-hearted teasing shows comfort and builds bonds. Just ensure the line between funny and offensive is as clear as a no parking sign. Playful banter that makes others smile sets you apart as the charismatic entertainer of your group, crafting memories of laughter. While sharing vulnerabilities can strengthen bonds, it's often your wins that pull people in. People love celebrations. Share your successes to harness positive energy and encourage others. Be the storyteller whose tales of triumph inspire, not the constant bearer of doom and gloom. Evoke admiration, not pity. Now that you're armed with these charming tactics, it's time to take action. Close this video and let your newfound charm work its magic in real life. Subscribe for more insights. Try these tips in your next conversation and watch the likes pile up, not just on your social media posts, but in real life too.